If you're looking for a way to make your home feel brighter, more open, and visually striking, picture windows are an excellent option. Designed with large, fixed panes of glass and minimal framing, picture windows offer uninterrupted views and a clean, modern appearance. For homeowners in Layton, they deliver both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits that enhance everyday living. Here's why installing picture windows in your Layton property can be a smart investment. Expansive views and natural beauty. Layton is known for its scenic surroundings, from mountain views to beautiful neighborhood landscapes. Picture windows are specifically designed to showcase the outdoors without visual obstructions. Because they don't include moving sashes or grid lines, picture windows provide a wide, clear view that acts almost like a living piece of artwork. Whether you're overlooking your backyard, enjoying seasonal changes, or simply bringing more of the outdoors inside, picture windows create a stronger visual connection to your surroundings. This feature alone can completely transform the atmosphere of a living room, dining area, or master bedroom. Increased natural light. Natural light plays a major role in how a space feels. Larger windows allow more daylight to enter, making rooms appear bigger, warmer, and more inviting. Picture windows are especially effective at maximizing sunlight because their design prioritizes glass surface area. In Layton, where daylight hours vary throughout the year, this added brightness can make a noticeable difference during colder months when natural light is limited. More daylight also means you may rely less on artificial lighting during the day, which can contribute to modest energy savings over time. Energy efficiency advantages. While picture windows don't open, this fixed design actually improves their energy performance. Without moving parts, they create a tighter seal compared to many operable window styles. Modern picture windows often feature double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low E coatings. These technologies help reduce heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during winter and blocking excess heat during summer. For Layton homeowners who experience both cold winters and warm summers, energy-efficient picture windows help maintain consistent indoor comfort year-round while potentially lowering heating and cooling costs. Low maintenance and durability. One of the most appealing benefits of picture windows is their simplicity. Since they do not open or close, they have fewer mechanical components that can wear out or require repair. This makes them a low-maintenance option for busy homeowners. With proper installation and quality materials, picture windows are built to withstand seasonal weather changes while maintaining their appearance and performance. Cleaning is also straightforward, especially when installed in easily accessible areas. Flexible design options. Picture windows are highly versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of architectural styles. Whether your Layton home has a traditional, contemporary, or modern design, picture windows can complement your overall aesthetic. They can also be paired with other window styles, such as casement or awning windows, to add ventilation while maintaining a large central viewing area. This combination allows you to enjoy both natural light and airflow without sacrificing visual impact. With customizable frame materials, finishes, and glass options, you can tailor picture windows to match your home's interior and exterior design. Enhanced property value. Upgrading to picture windows can improve your home's overall appeal and market value. Bright, open spaces are highly desirable among buyers, and energy-efficient features add long-term savings potential. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, investing in picture windows enhances your daily living experience while strengthening your property's long-term value. A smart upgrade for Layton homes. If you want to create a more spacious, light-filled, and energy-efficient home, picture windows are a practical and stylish solution. For homeowners in Layton, they offer the perfect blend of beauty, performance, and lasting value. With professional installation and high-quality materials, picture windows can elevate your home's comfort and appearance for years to come.